Gravity Forms lets you easily personalize confirmations and notifications using merge tags that pull in submitted form data. For example, I have a workshop registration form and want to customize the confirmation with the attendee's name and selected workshop date. If I head to the confirmation settings for my form, I can edit the confirmation message to be more personalized. Using the Insert Merge Tag button, I can include information that was submitted on this form. I'll go ahead and include the attendee's name, then update my messaging to include the workshop date they selected. I can also head to my notification settings and update the admin notification. By default, the admin notification will use the All Fields merge tag, which will include all field data entered on the form. I'm going to narrow the scope of this notification and just include the attendee's name, email, and workshop date. Now when this form is used, the workshop attendee will receive a more personalized confirmation message. Meanwhile, the admin notification will only display the most relevant information. If you have any questions, please let us know. For more WordPress guides and tutorials, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks as always for watching. See you in the next video.